All right, folks, welcome back to Mohawk-Garage. I just signed my life away, but I did get a 2021 Talon 1000R. I got payments for who knows how long, but I'm going to thoroughly enjoy this thing every day because now I live in the perfect place to go off-roading all the time. This thing's a 2021. It's got 1,200 miles on it, almost like brand new. It's already got the racks on the back, a couple of bags on it. Got mirrors. And it's got paddle shifters. Woohoo! 1,000 cc's. I'm going to be taking it home here in a couple of days. Okay, so I did a thing. As you guys know, I've been working on my Razor. I have torn the engine apart. I've replaced the top end. I rode it for 4 miles and then spun a bearing in the bottom end. I bought all new parts for the engine. I put it all back together and it did not work. There was some kind of clearance issue that I just can't figure out. So I took the motor to a professional and I went ahead and bought a new side-by-side. So this is my 2021 Honda Talon 1000R. It is not a turbo, but it's still fast as hell. So the day I got it on Saturday, I put 85 miles on it. I rode all the way up across the pass and back and pretty much rode the tires off of it that day. And then I've been using it to run the dog every day in the evening time. Well, yesterday I went out to run the dog and I got like a quarter of a mile. Thought I would do a fancy little whip around, and man, I got sideways. I let off of the gas and rolled that thing. Bashed my head. Got 7 staples and a lot of pain and some whiplash, but I still love it. So now I'm going to get it cleaned up, get all the blood cleaned out of it, get it into the garage, and I'm going to put some 4-point harnesses in it. That'll make my wife so much happier. So here it is. I already rolled it over, so got a little bit of plastic separating there. Maybe a little bit of broken plastic there. Broken plastic there. Dusty everywhere. That's blood. 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 So this is what I got. It's a fairly affordable set of harnesses off of Amazon. I got 4 points, and I got the type that have a regular seatbelt buckle in the middle. That was that. That goes across your belly. I had the cam lock style last time, and after they got so much dirt and mud and stuff in them, they didn't want to work so well. So hopefully these will work better. They look super easy to install. The Talon already has provisions in the seat for the shoulder straps, and then it just bolts into the stock position of your original seatbelts. So she's like pretty direct fit. Let's get them installed. All right. First step, remove the seat bottom here. These guys, looks like they're 17. They are indeed 15. They are indeed 16. 16 millimeter, in case you were wondering. Like any seatbelt bolt, these are like a locking thread. So they are very stiff. Yeah. Whew. That was surprising. Woo. A healthy dose of red Loctite on that thing. All right. Make sure that your seat belts are oriented in the right direction. And here's your stock hardware. So the new kit has these spacers. You go over the bolts and keep a little bit of separation in there so your seatbelt can swivel. I've noticed that before. All right, there's one. Okay. Now for the back section, it comes with bolt-on straps, but we have provisions for bar wrap mount back there now. So I'll take those brackets off, stuck them in the floor, run your seatbelt up through here. Grab that bracket, chucked on the floor. You're gonna need it. And let's see. Run the belt through the bracket. Around the bar. Back through the bracket again. Tighten them up. I can't get these fully adjusted until the wife is in here. But you get them close like that. There's what your end resulting strap wrap looks like. Just like that, but with the bar in there instead of that thing. There you go. There you got your seat belt strap. Bang, bang. Double chest secure strap. Bang, bang. 4-point harness. Just like that. Seat bottom back in. And the wife is happy. Just like that. Now it's got to make me safe over there. Okay, driver's side is more of the same. I already hooked the top straps up there. Only difference is on the driver's side there is a seat belt safety thing down here. It's got 2 wires, so I'm going to cut those 2 wires and put them together and hope that that works and I don't cripple my side-by-side thinking it needs some kind of resistance or something. I hope that's not the case. We're going to find out, though. still starts. So hopefully that's fixed. And I just gotta pop the seatbelts out. Okay, and in about 30 minutes I got 4-point harnesses installed on both sides. Now I'm ready for the night ride. Not this night, but tomorrow night. Hopefully I get some good video. All right, so here's the meetup for the night ride. It's a beautiful evening. It's nice and cool out here, which hasn't been for quite a while. Looks like we got about 30 bikes out here, and I don't know how many Jeeps might show up. But here, I'll do a little walkthrough for you.
Yo, it's your boy Trent Bone. Thug Nasty off-road, baby. Feeling so good. I'm feeling real fucking good, like an off-road rider should. If you come looking for me, please don't bring that drama to the woods. I ain't bout no bad juju, I ain't bout no bad vibes, but I'm bout good music, good friends, bout to ride. I'm in a great fucking mood, like you know I always am. When I'm out here on these trails, not giving a damn. I got my lady by my side, got the cooler in the back. I got the speakers turned up and feeling way laid back. I'm feeling laid back in my side by side. I got the cooler food all the way up, so you know we bout to motherfucking ride, we bout to ride. I'm feeling laid back in my side by side. I got the music turned all the way up, so you know we bout to motherfucking ride, we bout to ride. We bout to ride, take the party outside. If they told you we don't really do this shit, they fucking lied. Sometimes you gotta leave the fucking world behind. Get way back in the sticks and find some peace of mind. Yeah, drink some fucking brews, smoke a blunt or two, and take it all in, cause it's what we came to do. And I ain't fucking saying that we don't be getting hype, but right now I'm fucking chilling and it feels alright. I'm feeling laid back in my side by side. I got the cooler food all the way up, so you know we bout to motherfucking ride, we bout to ride. I'm feeling laid back in my side by side. I got the music turned all the way up, so you know we bout to motherfucking ride, we bout to ride. I'm feeling laid back, so you know we bout to motherfucking ride, we bout to ride. I got the music turned all the way up, and you know I got that good drink in my cup. I mean, what can I say? My life is okay, so thank you God for another beautiful day. And when I'm out here on these trails, I be soaking it in. Might catch me riding past you with a big fucking grin, cause when I'm out here for wheeling, it's my own way of healing. Yeah, so motherfucking real, I love the way that I feel. I'm feeling laid back in my side by side. I got the cooler food all the way up, so you know we bout to motherfucking ride, we bout to ride. I'm feeling laid back in my side by side. I got the music turned all the way up, so you know we bout to motherfucking ride, we bout to ride. I'm feeling laid back. I'm feeling laid back.
a great ride.